Hi, my name is Nello Johnson. I'm a photographer and retoucher and photographer instructor based here in Sweden. In this tutorial, we're going to be covering the very high end of beauty retouching. Beauty retouching is portrait advertising images usually selling hair or makeup. In this case, we're going to treat this as a very famous client, which in the image still needs to be high end, but we need to keep the model intact. We're not going to be using stuff like anything like frequency separation. We're going to be using the old method that still works in today's high industry. So none of that blurring stuff, no frequency separation. We're just going to be utilizing the tools in Photoshop to get the most out of it. This tutorial is very high end of the high end when it comes to retouching. And I feel after this, you will master the art of retouching. I'm going to teach you all the tricks and tips that I know to help you push the image to the highest quality. And in the end, I'm going to show you a very simple and advanced dodging and burning. So thank you for following along and hope you enjoy this master retouching course.